Hey everyone, it's Bobby. I'm so excited that you are here to build your customer base and increase your sales this month. So right now we have a great holiday sale going on and more items have just been added. So our task for you today is to link your customers directly to that sale page so they can see all the items that are up to 25% off. So what I need you to do is go to your main customer-facing website, the www.my31.com/your consultant ID number, your name, whatever you changed your website to, go directly there. And then you'll go down to gift shops and click on holiday sale. And then you will see all the items that are on sale right now that are in that holiday collection. And like I said, more have been added. So what you can do then is highlight the navigation bar, copy it, and then when you go to your VIP group, you can post that direct shopping link with a fun little holiday sale tag or some other note about holiday shopping and saving, because then they're linked directly to your website, but also all the holiday items that are on sale. So it's a great way to simplify it and make it a one-click stop shop.